past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. It was supposed to be the one to take every last pain away. Nothing on our loving, maybe time told us that we were dead.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know me, you don't know this face, then hi, nice to meet you. My name is Debbie O. I'm glad you stopped by to watch this video because this video will change your life. It's my first video of 2019. Do me a quick favor, go down below, hit the red subscribe button, and beside it you see a bell button. Click that so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Don't worry, I won't spam you, I promise. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. I'm so happy to see you, and happy new year guys. I can't believe I haven't filmed a video this year. I haven't said happy new year to you guys. I've missed you guys so much. I think I say that on every single video now, but I promise you guys this time I'm back for real. It's a new year and it's new energy and I'm pumped and we're doing new things and we're gonna smash all our goals this year. I've wasted 1 minute of your life and I haven't even told you what today's video is about. Anyway guys, today's video is going to be me doing a really short makeup tutorial with all my favorite products of 2018. For my first video of this year, I decided why not throw it back guys. Let's bring back all the products that we're not living in 2018, that we're carrying on our shoulders, and we're marching into 2019 with these products because they're so bomb. Yeah guys, so I used all my favorite products of last year to create this look. Some of the products I used may not have been created or released last year, but I just used them a lot last year, so I'm calling them my favorite products of 2018 because these are the products I really utilized and used last year. Like if you go back to check my older videos and you see all these products come up several times. Without further ado, before I waste any more of your time, if you want to see how I created this beautiful look with my favorite products, definitely keep on watching. And if you just want to see the list of products, shop my description box down below, and while you're there, drop this video a huge thumbs up and also comment down below. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video and I'll catch you at the end. Alright guys, so we're just going to jump straight into the video. It's been so long I've been sat in front of the camera, like I don't even know how to behave right now. So I'm starting with brows as usual. You guys know I always start with brows, and you guys know that my all-time favorite brow product of 2018 was the Rimmel eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade 004 black brown. That's literally the only eyebrow pencil I use and I love it so much. The other eyebrow product I used to use a lot in 2018, guys, I was lost in 2017. What am I doing? Was the Revolution brow pomade in the shade graphite, but I've run out of that at the moment. But I absolutely really love that eyebrow pomade. So yeah guys, those are my two all-time favorite products. I don't know if you can see, but literally this brow pencil just glides onto your eyebrows and it really sticks onto the hairs on my eyebrow, which is why I absolutely love it. I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my eyebrows with concealer and I'll be right back. I just use the Elegant Pro concealer to conceal my brows, if you guys were wondering. So yeah, now we're going to jump straight into the video guys. Anyways, we're jumping straight into the base today, and my all-time favorite primer of 2018 was the Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector, and as you can see, mine is I literally have to squeeze like really hard to get any product out of it, and I absolutely love this primer because it is so mattifying. Listen guys, when I'm talking about mattifying primers, like this primer cannot be compared to any other primer in the world. Like it controls oil very well. For foundation, you guys already know my all-time favorite foundation of 2018 was the Ordinary Coverage Foundation by DCM. It's in shade 3.2R and it literally made my entire year. One of the reasons why this foundation made my year is because it is so cheap guys. Listen, if you're looking for a cheap foundation that is really good, this foundation is it for you. It's so cheap, and look at that coverage. Like you can't see any blemish on my face anymore. Like my blemishes are gone now. For concealer, I'm sure some people will cross this one with me. You guys already know it was the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this one is in the shade Almond, and that's what I used in my videos, like almost every single video in 2018. Like, absolutely love this concealer, guys. It's so creamy, like it has so much color in it, like it's rich. It highlights very nicely and it still covers up imperfections. Like, what else are you looking for in a concealer? When I'm even trying to be bougie, I let it dry down a bit before I blend it out so I can get that maximum coverage. Now that that's perfectly blended into my skin, I'm going to go ahead and set that with my all-time favorite powder. This one is not even of 2018, like it's my favorite powder in the whole world, period. This powder needs an introduction of its own, I'm not even joking. This is Laura Mercier translucent powder in the shade Deep. This powder sets like a dream, guys, like I'm not even joking. Just look at how beautifully that powder just melted into my skin. Even me, I can't contain the sauce that is oozing, that is dripping from my look right now, and I'm not even halfway done, guys. This is a 2019 slay. Like, we're going into 2019 with our products from 2018 that we're not leaving behind. At this minute, I'm sure I'm looking very bland and weird, so I'm going to go in with my contour powder from 2018 that I absolutely love. It's the Milani pressed powder, and this is in the shade Earth Glow, and that's what I'm going to be using to contour my face. For that extra sculpt, I'm just going to lightly contour my nose as well. Now that that's done, I'm just going to use a bit of powder to carve out my cheekbones. Like, it literally just blends, doesn't leave like a white cast underneath my contour or just like flashback or anything like that, because it's so like deep and like warm toned. For my blush, I'm going to be using the NARS blush in Seduction, and this is also one of my favorite blushes from 2018. And I'm going to go ahead and brush away all that powder with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder, and this is in the shade Dark Deep. I'm going to blend it into my skin with my favorite setting spray. You already know it's MAC Fix Plus, like. And then while that's drying, highlighter of 2008 just has to be Artist Couture and Jackie Aina in La Peach. Alright guys, so now that I've succeeded in making a huge mess everywhere, I believe we can continue. Okay guys, so now my highlight is on and it's also everywhere on the floor. I'm going to be going into my eyeshadow, and my favorite eyeshadow base of 2018 was the Revolution Pro Full Camouflage Concealer, and this is in shade C12. I absolutely love this concealer for like colorful eye looks and just like eyeshadow that you want to stay on all day. It makes a very good eyeshadow base. I haven't tried the P. Louise eyeshadow base yet, but I really do want to try and like compare it to this Revolution Pro concealer, because I feel like this concealer is everything. Like, it's actually everything to me. I'm just coming in a bit closer for the eyeshadow palette so you guys can really see what's going on, and I'm just literally stamping that concealer all over the eyelid. My two all-time favorite eyeshadow palettes for 2018 were the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and this is just what that one looks like. It has a really good variety of colors in it to be used, and I also really liked the Revolution Pro Regeneration Trend Mischief Matte palette. Those were my two favorite palettes, so those are the two palettes I'm going to be using today. I'm going to just start with packing on my lid color, and for my lid color I'm going to be using this yellow shade called New Day from the Revolution palette. I'm going to go in with this orange shade called Daydream, and I'm just going to be placing that in my outer V, and I'm literally just stamping it on there and blending it in with the yellow. that I've really blended the orange shade in, I want to go in and deepen it up a bit with this shade here called Cursed. It's just a deep purple shade. You really have to be careful with these shades because they're so pigmented, like it's literally crazy. Can you see how careful I have to be with that purple shade? Next, I'm going to go into my lower lash line and I'm going to be using this shade called Halftime, and it's kind of like a peachy corally shade. Next, I'm going to line my eyes with my favorite black eyeliner, which is the Vital Waterproof Black Eyeliner. I love this eyeliner so much because it gives me precision. I have two favorite pairs of lashes last year, but I only have one with me at the moment. They're not pairs of lashes actually, but they're brands of lashes that I wore last year. One of them is Sosu by Susan Jackson. I absolutely love her lashes, and I also love Tease Cosmetics. I wore their lashes in the style Rude like 200 times last year, but I don't have a pair with me at the moment, so I'm going to be using the Susan Jackson ones, and these ones are in the style Holly. While my lash glue is drying on my lashes, I'm going to go ahead and do my inner corner, and in my inner corner I'm just going to be using this green shade called Mali. I don't know why my eye is tearing up so much today. Like, I haven't worn makeup in a long time, guys, so I'm guessing that's why, but my eyes are tearing up so bad. I literally can't even touch the eye at all. Like, it just keeps tearing up. It's this one. I don't know if you guys are noticing. It looks a bit wonky. But do you know what, guys? The show must go on. So I'm going to leave my eyes for a sec, and we're going to go into lips. Okay, so my favorite lip liners of all time, hands down, has to be MAC lip liners. But I can't find my chestnut lip liner on hand, which is what I wanted to use today. I really have no idea where that lip liner is gone, so I'm just going to be using a random brown pencil to line my lips, but MAC chestnut is the truth. For lipstick, my favorite nude lipstick last year was Taupe by MAC, and that's what I'm going to be using today. And over top of that, I'm just going to go in with a clear gloss. Finally, I'm going in with my favorite mascara of 2018, which is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to use that to blend my natural lashes with my falsies. Then I'm going to go in with a final spray of setting spray. And yeah, guys, that is it. This is my full face of products I absolutely loved in 2018 that I'm taking with me into 2019. If you haven't tried any of these products, definitely try them out. I absolutely love this look I came up with, guys. Tell me how you feel about this look. Am I serving you some New Year slay or what? Don't kill me, guys. Don't at me. I'm just so pumped for the new year. I have so much energy and I can't wait to share that all with you guys on this channel. Definitely hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed and you made it to the end of this video. Then you might as well subscribe because clearly you like my face. And click the bell button so you get notified every single time I post a new video. And yeah, guys, that is it. Hope you enjoyed the look. I will definitely catch you in my next video. Bye.
Did it break you down?